Hello everyone, we are in Unit 3 and we are going to learn how to multiply numbers. Okay, specifically in this lesson, how to multiply two digits by using the area model. Okay, the first part, how to multiply by using powers of 10. If I have a number like 5, 5 multiplied 10 equals 50, yes. So what shall we do? Put 0 and 5 times 1, it will be 5. Okay, if we have this number, yes, 80. Drop 8 and 0. Okay, times 100. Yes, drop 8 and how many zeros? 2. Excellent. 1000. So 3 zeros now. 8 and put 3 zeros. 10,000. 8 multiply or 8 by 10,000. How many zeros that we have? And 10,000 we have 4 zeros. 4 zeros and drop what? 8. Excellent. Let's check this fact. Okay, we have many questions here. The first one, it's too easy. 5 multiply by 1000. Drop what? 5 and add 3 zeros. The next one, how many zeros that we have? 1 and multiply by 4, so 40. The next one, do you notice anything here from the first question? 5 times 1000, it will be 5000. So 7 times number 3, 7 times 1000, so it will be 7000 also. Okay, here in number 4, 10,000 times what equals 80,000? Think. I have here 4 zeros and I have in another side 4 zeros also. And here 1 times what? It will be 8. 1 times 8. That's it. Number 5. 2 times what equals 2000? Remember what did we say in question number 1 and 3? 5 times 1000, 5000. 7 times 1000 equals 7000. So here 2 times what equals 2000? It will be, yes, 1000. Writing expressions. Write an expression to complete each equation using powers of 10 for each given number. Right. He means if I have 3000, 3000, it means what times what? As we know, I have here 3 zeros, so the number that it have 3 zeros, it will be 1000. Okay, so I have here 1000. 1000 times what? 1000 times 3. Yes, 3 times 1000. Okay, 800. So 8 times what? Excuse me, question number 4. 70,000. 7 times 1000. In question number 2, as we said before, 8 times, I have 2 zeros. Which number that it has 2 zeros? Excellent, 100. Okay, the next one, 5 times 50 equals 5 times, yes, 10. It's too easy. The last one, think in this question, 400,000. So 4 times 100,000. What is this question? What is this number? 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. What is it? So we have to read the hadith question first. Okay, let's read. Multiplying tens, it means I have in this part multiplying tens. The question, how many times will 10 need to be multiplied by itself to equal each given number? I have 10, okay? Multiply it how many times? By itself. Repeat it 10 how many times? Okay, to get this number. The first one, here I have two zeros. I know each zero, it means I have 10. In 10, in this number 10, I have how many zeros? I have just one. So if I have 1 0, it means 10. I have here two zeros, so 10 multiply 10. So two numbers of 10, or repeat 10 twice. Okay? Okay, and number 2, 1000. Repeat 10 how many times? I have here 3 zeros. So repeat 10 3 times. 10 times 10 times 10. So we can say 3 times. In number 3, I have here 4 zeros, so I have to write 10 4 times. 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, 4 times. The last one, how many times? By yourself think. Yes, 5. 5 times. Let's move on the next part. How to multiply by using the area model. The question that we have, 2 times 45. Okay, 2 times 45. What is the area model? From grade 4, remember the area model. Yes, it's a shape. What is that? What is the shape? Rectangle, excellent. And divide this rectangle into, I have here 2 digits. So divide into 2 parts. And the next one, just 1 digit. So keep the short side as it. We divide just the long side into 2 parts. And decompose 45. What is the decomposing? Decompose, it means the value of each number. 40 and 5. What shall we put in the short side? 2. So let's try to multiply 2 by each one. 2 times 40, 2 times 4, 28. And drop 0 from powers of 10. Okay? 2 times 40, it will be 80. 2 times 5 equals 10. So 80 and 10, yes, 90. So 2 times 45 equals 90. If we want to check this answer, it will be correct or not, try to add 45 2 times. 45 plus 45. 45 and 45, it will be 90. So if we use the multiplying, it will be 90. If we want to try or check our answer, it will be 90 also. Okay? It's too easy. Work with your teacher and your classmates to create area models and find each product. The first question that we have, 374 by 62. As we know, we have to compose 374. If we decompose it, it will be 370 and 4. Okay. Try to decompose 62. Yes, it will be 60 and 2. Then multiply each other. 300 times 60. Drop all the zeros from powers of 10. Drop 3 zeros and ask yourself, 3 by 60 will be? Yes, 18,000. Alright, 18 and 3 zeros. The next one. Huh. Yes, 6 times 7, it will be 42 and drop 2 zeros. So the number it will be 4,200. The next one, 4 times 16. 4 times 6 and drop 0. The next one, go to number 2. Multiply 2 by 300, 2 by 70, and 2 by 4. You have these two numbers are solved before, so the remainder is 2 times 300, it will be 60. Okay, we want now to get the sum all of these products to get the final answer. So 18,000 plus 4,200 plus 200 plus 240, sorry, plus 600 plus 140 and plus 8. It will be the final answer of this product, 23,188. Look at the next one, 506 times 42. Decompose 506, 5 in hundreds, it will be, write the value of each number. 5 in hundreds place, it will be 500, 0, still 0, and 6 in ones, still 6, times 42. 4 in tens, it will be 40, and 2, okay? So 500, 0, 6. Next number 40 plus 2. Multiply each other. 4 times 5, 20, and drop 3 zeros. The next one 0 times any number, it will be 0. The next one 6 times 40, it will be 24, and drop 0. 2 times 500 and 6. 2 times 5, 10, and drop 2 zeros, it will be 1000. 0 times any number, it will be 0. 2 times 6, it will be 12. Sum all of these products inside the box. So the final answer, it will be 21,252. Using an area model, solve the problems using an area model. Number 1, 572 times 98. As we know, decompose each one and write the value of each digit. 570 and 2. And decompose 98, it will be 90 and 8. Multiply each other. 9 times 5, 45, and drop 3 zeros. 8 times 5, it will be 40, and drop 2 zeros. 90 times 7, 63, and we have 0 in 70 and another 0 in 90. So drop now how many zeros? 2 zeros. One of them in 70 and the other one in 90. Okay. The next one, 8 times 70. 8 times 7, 56, and drop 0. The last one, 2 times 90, 180, or we can say 2 times 9, 18, and drop 0. The last one, 2 times 8, just 16. Sum of all of these products, it will be 56,056. Try by yourself to decompose 201 times 32. Okay, split each number into, you have now 3 digits, so into 3 parts, and you have 32. 201 30 plus 2. Excellent. Check your answer with me. Take just 1 minute to solve it. 3 times 2, it will be 6. And how many zeros in both of these numbers? I have 1 0 in 30, so drop this 0, and I have another 2 zeros in 200. So I have now 1, 2, 3 zeros in all. Okay, so 6,000, 0, 12 0. 2 times 200, 2 times 2, 4, and drop 2 zeros. 0, another 0. 1 times 30, it will be 30. 1 times 2, it will be 2. Sum of all of these products, 6,000 plus 0 plus 30 plus 400 plus 2. It will be 6,432. The next one, 659 times 42. 600 plus 600 plus 5 plus 50 plus 9, and the other number 40 plus 2. 4 times 6, it will be 24, and we have 3 zeros, so 24,000. The next one, 2 times 6, 12, and the 2 zeros, and put the comma after 3 digits from the right, so it will be 1,200. 40 times 50, 4 times 5, 20, and 2 zeros. It will be 2,000. The next one, 2 times 50, 100. 40 times 9, 4 times 9, 36, and drop 0. 2 times 9 equals 18. Sum of all of these products, it will be 27,678. Let's see this question. Here I have 3,352 times 17. If you want to split this number and write each value, each digit, okay? 3,000, so 3 in 1,000 place, it will be 3,000, okay? And 3 in hundreds place, so it will be 350. It will be 55 in tens, 50, and 2 times 17. 7 1 in tens, it will be 10, and 7 in ones, it will be 7. So 10 and 7. Go to the other number, 3,350 and 2. Multiply each other. 10 times 3,000, it will be 3 times 1 equals 3. And how many zeros that we have? 3 zeros and another 1. So it will be 4 zeros. The next one, 7 times 3,000. 7 times 3, 21. And 1 times 3 equals 3, and 2 zeros from 300, and another 0 from 10. So 3 and 3 zeros. 7 times 3, 21, and 2 zeros. So it will be 2,100. 5 times 1, 5, and 2 zeros. 1 from 10 and another one from 5. 7 times 5, 35, and 0. 2 times 10, 20. 2 times 7, 14. So if we sum all of products, it will be 56, 90, 984. Ali walked 6 kilometers each day if he walked 187 days a year. How many kilometers would he walk? Ali walks what? What is the number that we have? 6 each day. 6 each day. If he walked 187 days, 187 days a year. So how many kilometers now? 6 times 187. Here I have a big number like 187 times 6. Okay, draw an area model, split each one. Here I have just one, 6 times 187, so 80 and 7 times each one. 6 times 100, 600, 880, 80 times 6 times 8, it will be 48 and 0, 6 times 7, 42. Sum all of this, 600 plus 480 plus 42. It will be 1,122. Go to the next question. What if Ali were to drive 60 kilometers each day? Drive 60 kilometers each day. How many kilometers would he drive in 187? I have 60 and 187. What shall we do? Think. It looks like the other number. Up. Look, 6 and 60 times 187 and times 187 also. So I will put 187 times 60. 60 times 100. 60 times 80, 2 zeros, and 6 times 4, it will be 48. 7 times 60, 6 times 7, 42 and 0. We can write the other answer up for here, 1,122, and just add 1 0. Yes. So Ali drove 11,220 kilometers. Decompose with area model. Iman is planting a garden. She wants to find the area of the garden to know how much topsoil she will need. The garden is 46 meters long and 24 meters wide. How many different ways can you decompose the numbers to help her friend the area? He wants to multiply 46 times 24 and divided 40 into 20 times 20. Okay, so 46 split it into 20, 20 and 6. 40 split it into 20 and 20, and 6 still as it, times 24, so 20 and 4. 20 times 20, it will be 400. 20 times 20, another 400. 20 times 6, 2 times 6, 120. Okay, 4 times 20, 80. 4 times 20, another 80. 4 times 6, 24. 400 plus 400 plus 120 plus 80 plus 80 plus 24. Sum of all of these products to get 46 times 24. So get us, yes, 1,104. Try to solve these questions by yourself and check your answer with me. Solve each of the following problems using an area model. The first question, 618 times 43. Okay, decompose or split each number into 610 and 8 times 43. Okay, 43, it will be 40 and 3. Okay, draw an area model and write each value of each digit. Okay, 610 and 8, 40 and 3. If we multiply each other, 4 times 6 is 24 and put 3 zeros as we know. 3 times 6 it will be 18 and 2 zeros. 3 times 10, 30, and 4 times 10 it will be 400. 3 times 8, 24, and 40 times 8 equals 320. Sum all of these products, it will be by yourself. Yes, equals 26,574. Go to the next one, 82 times 306. As we know, draw an area model and write each value of each digit. 300, 0, keep as it 0, and 6. Split 82 into 80 and 2. Multiply each other equals. Sum all of these products, it will be 25,092. Add 24,000 plus 480 plus 600 plus 12. All of these numbers equals 25,092.